Hello, my friends. So what I am doing for Mini Kit Monday today is I'm going to work with this Paige Evans Bloom Street kit. I think I'm going to make sure to get this My Sunshine in. These are the three papers I have. I have some cardstock, but I don't think I'm using cardstock unless, I'm at a photo or something. And I also have all of these gorgeous ones. Ooh, I could do the word my and then sunshine in this. All right, I like that idea even more because, look at how gorgeous that is. That is the bee's knees. So I think I'm gonna do that. Of course, bring in some of these great foil pieces, but I do know what's gonna take me a hot minute is I am going to fussy cut out a bunch of these flowers because I just want to. I like this Hello Spring. That would be cool to have on there. So the photo I'm going to do is just this one right here. It's a very simple moment. My daughter was sitting on the front porch. It's spring is just hitting here. I live in Southeast Michigan. So she's sitting on the front porch, getting a little sun on her face and enjoying life. So very simple but fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera off for a minute while I cut out and cut out and cut out all of these goodies, and I'll be back in a few. So my design is going to be rather simple on this layout. You see to the right that I cut out lots and lots of those flowers. I didn't cut out those itty bitty little tiny ones that kind of look like forget-me-nots, but I did cut out a lot of the larger ones, medium ones, and a few of these really small ones that are kind of like a periwinkle and baby blue color. And I'm going to use just a nice, it's roughly 4 inches across the heart paper. I flipped it over and I matted my photo with the backside, which is a really nice turquoise, like tone on tone kind of thing. Very, very nice. So, seriously, this is about the basis of this design. And then I am just gonna go really heavy with the flowers. Now, the adhesive I'm using right now, what I'm doing is I'm trying to use up all of these little tape runners that I have just laying around my scrap room that I pick up here and there, and some are years old and all that kind of stuff. So you will see a number of different ones going through, and then I'd like to start trying out some different adhesives after that. But I figured when I was deciding to do that, because I ordered 2 different kinds, I have one. When I decided to do that, I was like, well, I have to use up all of these other things first, if that makes sense. I don't just want to have countless stuff laying around. All right, so this is the base, the base of my floral design I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have my photo where it is. As you saw, I just kind of stuck it into place. And I'm gonna have my flowers going on a diagonal, pretty much from the bottom left to the upper right, but not a really sharp diagonal. And now some of these smaller flowers, I will go ahead and pop up on some fun foam to give myself different layers of dimension. I've gone ahead and gotten all my flowers in. Like I said, some are popped up. I put my little leafy bits in, and as it stands right now, I love it. So now I'm going to do my title, and it will be My Sunshine. I'm going to end up moving that word my over a little bit. Now you don't see it, super, I was going to say well, it sounds weird. All right, it's not easy to see as it stands on camera, but you can see it just fine in person. And now the word sunshine, it's wonky. The letters aren't all the same size, so I'm not going to worry about putting my T-square ruler up. And I also kind of have a ruler type thing with the lines of text. So I'm just going to use what I have, and yeah, it's working mighty fine. I did also use that gorgeous butterfly to the upper right, as well as that same color of the aqua and limey green heart that is to the left of the photo. I really like this photo journaling block right here, so I'm going to nestle it in under my title a little bit and do some really simple journaling on that. I like the idea of adding handwritten journaling in when I can. I don't type it up at all anymore. Back in the day I did, but I figure it's my writing. I scrapbook for me, so it does not bother me at all. And who knows, maybe someday my kids will want to see my writing. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some of these gorgeous enamel little flowers, and I'm putting them in the centers of some of the flowers. They are beautiful and bright and have that nice little bit of shine so that the layout doesn't look as flat. I think it's the perfect touch to add a few of those in. Now this is the sticker sheet that I purchased separately from this collection. This, by the way, this is one of the flavors of the month kits from this ScrapRoom. And I just made it easy peasy on myself and used it as part of my mini kit Monday kit. So I'm going to nestle in some of the hearts and different little shapes that will work from this collection, as well as some of these gorgeous colorful words that are part of it. I like that they have like an ombre effect, and it pretty much, I think it keeps it looking just a little bit more interesting. Or, you know, anytime something's a little new or different, we do really tend to like it. So this cute little buggy here, I just popped a little bit of foam under each of the wings so you can see a shadow beneath them, and then I left that little stamen area or his, you know, cute little orangey body. I left that sticker exposed, so that is down flat on the paper and the little wings are sticking up. And I'm doing, you know, a little bit of decorating, some of those extra bits that came in this collection. Now, you know that I can put collections together and all that kind of stuff, but sometimes it is really fun to craft by collection. So I just like to mix it up and do it all different ways. All right, so down below, I'm going to have the links to the other Mini Kit Monday ladies. You can see what they came up with for their kits and their layouts and all that stuff so far this month. We have such a great group, and they're truly the best set of gal pals you could ever hope for. Okay, their links will be below. I'm putting a few of these little enamel dots in there from different collections. That's just my bin of happiness to the left is what I call my enamel dots. And I'm adding just a little bit more shine and color and all that kind of stuff. I do try to use ones that have already been opened first, and then I work my way to the back of enamel dots that have not quite been out of their packages yet. So that's what I'm looking for first when I go through, is trying to use up packages as I go. So that's going to wrap this layout up. No need for any kind of splatty bits this time for me, because I like all of my dimension and bright saturation of colors and all that kind of thing. So I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video.